one component of CPR, which is rescue breath or ventilation or mouth-to-mouth CPR. So to do rescue breath, don't forget, if you are not confident, don't do it. Just go with chest compression alone. That one is okay. So to do rescue breath, you have to first open the airway. We've talked about how to open the airway. I mentioned that you have to tilt the head, then lift the chin. I showed you the other time. So once you've done that, that's the way by which you open the airway. Once you've done that, you're going to pinch the nostrils. If you look at this lady over here, this lady over here, when you say pinch, that means you are trying to use your hand to cover the nose. So pinch the nostril, then cover the person's mouth with yours. Cover the person's mouth with yours. Make a seal. Cover it in such a way that there is no point through which your air will go out. Then prepare to give 2 rescue breaths. Then give the first rescue breath lasting for 1 second. You should not take time, just give it within 1 second, boom. Then once you've given it, watch if the chest rises. It's just like you are inflating something. So once you inflate something, you expect just like let's pick balloon as an example. If you pump air into a balloon, you inflate a balloon with your ears, it's definitely going to rise. So to expect that when you breathe into the patient's mouth, the chest should also rise. So if the chest rises, then also give a second breath. Please, let's note that this thing, don't waste time on it though, as fast as possible. But if the chest does not rise, that means the air did not get to the chest. And what makes the air not to get to the chest? That means the person's airway is not open. So if the chest does not rise, repeat that same procedure for opening of the airway. Tilt the head, then lift the chin up. So then, after you've done that, give a second breath. But please, you have to be careful to ensure that you are not giving too much breath at once and you are not forcefully breathing into the person's mouth. So once you've done 2, please don't forget you must do 2. Once you've done 2, then you will resume your chest compression. Please don't forget to mention that within 1 minute you're expected to do 100 to 120 compressions. So now, if you would also want to incorporate a rescue breath, that's how you do it. After 30 chest compression, you will do 2 rescue breaths, then you continue again. That's a cycle. This is a cycle. 30 chest compression, 2 rescue breaths. After you've done that, continue again, another 30 chest compression, then 2 rest. Just continue until, and you might wonder, so when will I stop? Continue until the patient becomes active or shows signs of being alive. Please continue. And you can also continue till a medical personnel is around so they can take over from you. Please just continue until the patient is alive, shows signs of life. So you have to, once you've done that 2 rescue breaths, resume chest compression to restore blood flow. I said even if the breath is available, even if the oxygen is available, if the blood is not flowing, there's no way the oxygen will get to the cells, tissues, and organ that needs them. So don't just blow here. Instead, you're also doing chest compression because that is very, very, very important. So looking at this image here, so yeah, this is the means by which you open the airway. Tilt the head, let it come up. Then lift the chin. By the time you lift the chin, then don't forget to pinch the nose. So the air will not be coming out through the nose. Pinch the nose. You're just trying to avoid any form of exit for the air so that the air can get to the chest very well. So pinch the nose. When you say pinch, that means you're covering and then to just use your hand to hold. Then give 2 rescue breaths. After you give the first one, check if the chest is rising. If it does not rise, then that means you have to do this procedure again. You have to reopen the airway, tilt the head very well, then lift up the chin, then give another one. But if you know you're not so confident or you don't like to put your mouth in someone else's mouth, then you can just carry on with chest compression.